Welcome to the podcast, everyone. Today, we're diving deep into the ever-evolving world of software development and some powerful tools that are reshaping how developers work. So if you've ever felt overwhelmed by code or curious about how artificial intelligence can help streamline programming, this episode is definitely for you. To start off, let's talk about GitHub Copilot. Imagine having a coding assistant that not only understands what you're working on, but can actually write code for you on the fly. It's like having a partner who anticipates your needs and provides suggestions just as you're starting to lose focus. That's the power of GitHub Copilot, designed to help you write better code with AI. Now, you might be wondering how it helps with security. Well, GitHub's security features can find vulnerabilities in your code. It's like having a code safety net that catches mistakes before they become real issues. Picture this. You're building a bridge. Definitely not something you want to have faulty designs in. This brings us to think about how important it is to have that layer of security while developing software, especially in our world today where cyber threats are everywhere. Moving on to workflow automation. This is where GitHub Actions come into play. Think of it as orchestrating a symphony. Just like a conductor, GitHub Actions allows developers to automate various tasks, from testing their code to deploying an application. It can save so much time, it's almost like finding an extra hour in your day. What do you think? Does that sound appealing? And let's chat about code spaces. Ever wished you could set up a development environment in a snap? With code spaces, you can create instant development environments right in your browser. No more fiddling with setups that take hours. It's like having your own development studio ready to go at a moment's notice. But then we have the issue of managing work and communication, right? That's where GitHub issues and discussions become super useful. They act like sticky notes on your computer, keeping all the important tasks and conversations in one place, making collaboration seamless. Imagine how much smoother your projects could flow if everyone was on the same page. Now, while we're discussing collaboration, let's touch on GitHub sponsors. Have you ever thought about how the community can support open source developers? This platform allows individuals and companies to fund devs, ensuring that innovative projects continue to thrive. It's like a digital tip jar for coding heroes. Before we wrap up, we should also mention the educational resources that GitHub offers, like learning pathways and webinars. They're essentially a treasure trove for developers at any level. Whether you're just starting out or a seasoned veteran, there's always something new to learn. So to summarize our chat today, GitHub Copilot enhances coding efficiency, security finds vulnerabilities to keep your projects safe, automating workflows saves time, and collaboration tools like issues consolidate communication. And don't forget the educational resources that keep us all growing. As we conclude, I'd love to leave you with this question. What aspect of software development do you think could benefit the most from AI and automation? Think about it and maybe share your thoughts with us. Thanks for joining me today. Until next time, keep coding smart and stay curious.